Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. Just a quick one here to let you know that I still would expect another move up in a wave 5. That is unchanged. Generally this chart looks really good, and we had really a few target areas here that we reached actually in this entire move. Originally this one I didn't capture it as a target area, but that was a target that was reached back then. The retracement was a bit deeper than expected back then. On the move up, we reached target, but it actually overshooted a little bit, so I wasn't even bullish enough. Then we reversed within this target area, reversed in this target area, reversed in this target area, and then possibly are now reversing in this target area. I've changed this a little bit. It was before a little bit higher. Based on the latest developments on the charts, I moved it down a little bit because I believe we could see one more dip. Based on the latest developments on this chart short term, I can label now the wave 4 here that we see in red as an ABC, which I did before, but we can label the C wave now as a at least 4 wave move at the moment. So I think there's another move down missing in wave 5, and that could land anywhere in this yellow area, and we can measure that and give you a more specific target as well by taking the length of the wave 1, adding it to the high of the wave 4, and then you get to a few key levels here, 2 of them. And the first key level is the 72 cent level. Basically, that's the 1-to-1 ratio. And if we lose that, the next key level would be the here 64.5 cent level, the 1.618 extension. And this is what we'd be looking for. Yeah, that there could be definitely another dip. That is what I would actually primarily expect, that we see one more dip before we see the strong move up in wave 5. Is it guaranteed we see another dip? No. Yeah, so this could be played in terms of buying already when we touch that yellow area, and maybe setting one buy order even lower at one of these levels, or maybe at 2 of these levels, basically staggering the buying in. But we're quite late already in the game, but nevertheless, this chart looks good. I would give it definitely the chance, and I think there is quite a strong likelihood that we will see eventually this move up. But my expectation is that actually we see, before we see that move to the upside, that we see a move down and then up. When would I believe that we are not going to go down anymore? First good indication is that if we really break above that 85 cent level, then that would drastically reduce the chances that we go deeper in that yellow area once more. And then if we rally impulsively through the 90 cent range, so 90 cents basically, if we break that level, then I think we are going to go up straight away. And target for this again is around 115, 120. And after that is done, after we see this move to the upside in a wave 5, this would then be a larger wave 1, basically completing this entire impulse that you can see here on the chart from the low at 32 cents. So yeah, moved up here. I took some profits up here. I talked about that in the videos. I'm thinking about maybe buying in again. Maybe if we see another dip, I will do so. And other than that, the next buying in area for me would be this one here, which is currently estimated between 50 cents and 74 cents, but I have to move it eventually. It depends a little bit on where eventually that wave 5 will land. Then we can only really calculate the wave 2 target range, which I will then update, of course, for you in these videos. Yeah, and that's my update about MATIC. So everything's still going according to plan. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.